Let's see how to enter equations in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to type in a particular equation within your document. However, you'll find that you can't directly type it in or have the format to do so. Luckily, Microsoft Word has solutions to this problem. What we can do is head on over to the Insert tab. Now right here, click on Equation, and that will open up this field within your document where you can manually enter your equation. So Microsoft Word also has a lot of different functions such as fractions, scripts, radicals, and integrals, as well as many others. And that is how you can basically enter an equation in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.